Okay, this is a brief intro on how to use the 1541 floppy drive in Vice. So we're going to start by going to Preferences, click Settings, Peripheral Devices, and Drive. Make sure CBM 1541 is selected and then click Close. And there's two ways we can insert a floppy disk into the drive. Start by going to File, and the first option is to click Create and Attach an Empty Disk Image. So we'll find a location that we want to store this D64 file, which is what the 1541 uses. So once you find your folder, we're going to click a name. I'm going to put in test03.d64. Then we're going to select the unit number 8 and drive 0, then give it a name in all small letters. And this is the disk name. And then the ID is just a random 2-digit code. Then click Save. And make sure type was D64. Now we can load up the directory of our disk that's been created and inserted by typing load quote $8. To view the listing, type list. And you can see there's our name, testdist3, and our 2-digit ID 03. Next, I'll type new to remove the directory from memory, and I'll write a short one-line program. Then when I run this program, it'll print hello. Now I'll save the program to the disk by doing save, quote, a name for the file, quote, $8. Now we can load the directory again and do a list. And there's our program. The second way to load a disk is to load a D64 file that you've previously created or downloaded by going to File, Attach Disk Image to Drive 8, and either double click on it or do attach load there at the bottom. Once it's installed, we can do the directory listing again. Okay, and to load and run a basic program, type load, quote, the name of the program, quote, $8. And when it's loaded, just type run. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.